In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find Steam library folder. This is useful anytime you want to locate where your games are actually installed, whether you are organizing files, backing up saves and mods, or just checking which drive is being used. We'll walk through it inside the Steam app so you can see the exact path and even open the folder directly. Start by opening Steam. Once it's up, look to the very top left corner of the window for the Steam menu. Click that, and from the drop-down, select Settings. This opens a panel where Steam keeps all of its preferences and tools in the Settings panel. Go to the Storage tab. Storage is where Steam lists the drives it uses for game installations and shows how much space is in use. Here you'll see your library locations organized by drive along with a visual bar that indicates how full each drive is. Now, you have two simple ways to find your library folder from here. If you want to open the folder itself in your file browser, look to the right side of the drive entry for the three dots. Click those, then choose Browse Folder. Your operating system will open that location so you can view the contents directly. Inside, you'll typically see a Steam Apps folder, and within that, a common folder where individual game folders live. This is the quickest route if you plan to move files, check mod folders, or verify what's installed. If you only need to see the exact path without opening anything, just click on the drive bar shown in Storage. Steam will display the full installation path for that library. This is handy if you want to copy the path into another tool or confirm where future downloads will go. If you've never changed your installation path, here is also a standard default on Windows. Your games are usually located at C drive, Program Files, x86, Steam, Steam Apps. Common. The common folder contains each game's main files in its own directory. Knowing this default makes it easy to recognize the right place when you browse. A quick tip, if you use more than one drive, you might see multiple library entries in Storage. The same approach applies to each one, so you can browse or copy the path for any drive you are using. And if you are troubleshooting an install or clearing disk space, confirming these paths is a great first step. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.